Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Islam Manzoor here. So in this video, basically we are going to learn about calendars in GoHighLevel. We will going to set up your Google Calendar, your Microsoft Calendar, and even you have Apple Calendar, we can easily link with it. And if you have Calendar account, we can also link with GoHighLevel. So it's a super easy. Without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how we can do this. Just let me make my heart small, put on a side. And after that, the first thing we need to check, we need to go to the setting area. And here we need to check our calendar is linked or not. Go to integrations, and here we need to connect our Gmails for Google Calendar link. And if you want to link with your Microsoft Calendar, so you need to log in with your Microsoft. There is a not option. I can show you where you need to link with your Microsoft Calendars, or you can use with any other calendar that you want to show in your calendars details. And either you can use these things as well. You can integrate it. So I just go back here and I just simply go to the calendar setting here. And after the calendars, you need to go to the calendar setting, and here is a calendar setting. It's a super easy. I just go to here and I will create the calendars. Okay, before that I need to go to setting again one more time, and here we need to go to the team section, my staff, and in my staff I need to go to the business profile, and in business profile I need to log in with my own profile. So it's a super easy. You need to just go to here and simply log in as we can say that I'm going to log in as Muhammad Aslam. So that's already login, and here is, you see, we are not showing the profile icons. So let me log in with this email, not this one really, that's my team email. So I'm going to use this email. So here you can see I just go to again in my stuff and go to business profile, and you can check your calendar is linked here or not. If the calendar is linked, everything is working fine, then super easy. Go back and into the calendars, and I just go to the calendars again. I just go to the setting, and after that I just create a calendars. Here you can see we have different calendars, and that's how calendars look. There is not a 4 type anymore, there is a 6 type, some more external types as well. For example, personal calendar, it says it's a one-on-one meetings with a specific team member, so you can use with the personal calendars. And if you have round and robins distributions appointment among the team members in the routing order, then you can go with the robin calendar. Say for sales calls, for onboarding sessions, for, you can say that 6 or 4 team members are available, and some are busy, some are working on it, so you can rotate it with the robin calendars. And after that we have class booking calendars. That's for specialists, for trainers, coaches, program coaches, and also we can say that it's for webinars and groups training and online classes as well. Okay, collective booking, the multiple hosts meet with the one participant, panel interview, comments and reviews. So that's mostly work with the panel interviews and committees and reviews. And after that we have another category that's called event calendar, and it's a schedule for a physical event with no host associated, conference, public and seminar, expo. Then we have a service calendar, seamless scheduling for service based on a business, spa appointment, repair services and consultation. That's up to you where you want to use it, and these use cases is depend on your business, which type of your business you have and which type of calendars you want to use for your business. And after that I just simply go with the service calendar. And service calendar, first of all I need to put our services name here. We will say leads flex expert, and also you need to assign to the team members. So I'm going to assign let's say I can going to assign this guy. And also we need to put the calendar URL. I will say leads flex. Okay, that must be available. And we can say that's the duration is a 30 minutes. You can extend it according to your requirement. And here is availability Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can update it according to your requirement. It's super easy. Just go to the advanced setting. In advanced setting, we need to just create our logo here. We need to just upload our logo here. In my case, I already have logo and all things are set up. We need to put our some basic description, and after that, if you have create any group, that you can select it, otherwise you can leave it. So in my case, I don't have any group, so I'm not going to use any group here. Here you can see that remember select, you can select for this calendar, and you can change your color as well. That's our basic color, so we can use this one. And here is our total availability. You can change it, you can duplicate it, you can delete it. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And here you can here is a payment or forms. You can link your form. For example, you have already built-in form, you can use custom form, or you can use built-in GoHighLevel form. It's up to you. And after that, here is a payment option. You can accept payment. You want to make a paid booking or paid consultation, just simply say and accept it. And after that, you have notification and additionals option. You want to show your notifications, or we will say that you can allow after 10 minutes you can send reschedule link, and cancellation link will be expire in a we can say not a minutes, 1 day. We can say our cancellations link will be expire in a 1 day, because we want to be flexible to user, and he can book appointment. It's up to him, and whatever time they have, they can book appointment according to their requirement. And also we can go with the customization. Here we have some colors ideas. So our main color is dark green, so we can keep it this one. And here is a white, we can keep it yellow one. That's our color theme. So after that, you can put your custom code that you have for your things, but in my case we don't have any code, so I just save it. And here is another room and requirement. There is a work group and any other things that you have. That's an advanced feature, by the way. We are not going to use any advanced feature here. So the calendar is ready. We will say leads flex expert, and we can just check the preview of this calendar. And here you can see, just simply click on it and we can close it. And let me search again. Here is a copy link of calendar. I just simply go to here with the calendar URL. It says it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe there is a permanent link, so we need to copy permanent link. Maybe this domain is not working, but that's how you can make calendars. And on a backend, you can make automations as well. It's a super easy. Just simply go and make automations. I have another video attached on the top, so you can see the all automations type and how you can link all automations with this calendar. That's a super easy. And similar method all calendars for work, like all other calendar will be same. That's some minor changes. You need to learn about this and you will get idea how it's work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. And in another case is that if you can go with my affiliate link, I will set up complete GoHighLevel for you, and also I can give you these all free snapshots free of cost, and I will also build your SaaS software free of cost. So that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video.